Greetings, fellow adventurers. Today, we embark on an exciting journey through the northeastern region of China as we explore the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway. Get ready to uncover some fascinating unknown facts about this historic rail line. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to join us on more thrilling adventures. Introduction to Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway. Welcome aboard the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway, a vital lifeline connecting the bustling city of Changchun to the scenic landscapes of Mudanjiang in northeastern China. Join me as we delve into the secrets and surprises hidden along this enchanting railway route. Historic origins. Did you know that the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway has a rich and storied history dating back over a century? It was originally built during the Japanese occupation of Manchuria in the early 20th century and played a crucial role in the region's industrial development. Breathtaking scenery. As the train chugs along the picturesque countryside, passengers are treated to breathtaking views of lush forests, rolling hills, and crystal-clear rivers. The Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway offers a front-row seat to some of China's most stunning natural landscapes. Engineering marvels. Behind the scenes, the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway showcases remarkable engineering feats. From towering bridges to intricate tunnels, every inch of this railway is a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. Record-breaking tunnels. Fun fact: did you know that the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway boasts some of the longest railway tunnels in China? These subterranean marvels stretch for kilometers beneath the Earth's surface, allowing trains to traverse through rugged mountain terrain with ease. Cultural significance. Beyond its engineering prowess, the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway holds immense cultural significance for the people of northeastern China. It has served as a lifeline for local communities, connecting them to economic opportunities and cultural exchanges for generations. Wildlife encounters. Keep your eyes peeled. The Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway passes through several nature reserves and wildlife habitats, offering passengers the chance to spot a variety of indigenous flora and fauna along the way. Mystery of ghost stations. Legend has it that the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway is haunted by the ghosts of laborers who perished during its construction. Several abandoned stations along the route are rumored to be haunted, adding a touch of mystery to this historic railway. Modern upgrades. In recent years, the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway has undergone extensive modernization and upgrades. New high-speed trains and state-of-the-art infrastructure have transformed the railway into a model of efficiency and comfort for travelers. Cultural immersion stops. Step off the train and immerse yourself in local culture. The Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway features several designated cultural immersion stops where passengers can explore traditional villages, sample local cuisine, and experience authentic Manchu culture firsthand. Winter wonderland views. During the winter months, the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway offers passengers a magical journey through a winter wonderland. Snow-covered landscapes, frost-kissed trees, and frozen rivers create a breathtaking scene straight out of a fairy tale. Historic steam locomotive route. Before the advent of modern trains, the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway was once traversed by historic steam locomotives. These majestic machines played a vital role in the region's transportation history and are now preserved as symbols of bygone eras. Underground military bunkers. Uncovering hidden secrets. It's rumored that the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway passes near underground military bunkers dating back to World War II. These secret structures add an aura of intrigue to the journey, hinting at a turbulent past. Celestial light phenomenon. In certain seasons, lucky passengers may witness the celestial light phenomenon known as the aurora borealis along the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway route. This awe-inspiring natural display paints the night sky with vibrant colors, leaving travelers spellbound. Strategic railway junction. The Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway serves as a strategic railway junction, connecting multiple railway lines that span across northeastern China. It plays a pivotal role in regional transportation networks, facilitating trade, commerce, and tourism. Historic battle sites. The landscapes surrounding the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway bear witness to historic battles and conflicts that shaped the region's history. Travelers can catch glimpses of ancient fortresses, memorial sites, and other remnants of bygone wars. Folklore and legends. Local folklore is woven into the fabric of the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway, with tales of mythical creatures, legendary heroes, and ancient spirits passed down through generations. These stories add depth and mystery to the cultural landscape of the region. Bioluminescent phenomenon. Under the cover of darkness, the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway route may offer passengers a rare glimpse of bioluminescent phenomena, where certain organisms emit a mystical glow. It's a mesmerizing spectacle that illuminates the night with nature's own magic. Railway poetry and literature. Inspired by the scenic beauty and historic significance of the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway, poets and writers have penned numerous works of literature dedicated to capturing the essence of this iconic railway journey. Cultural festivals and events. Throughout the year, the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway corridor comes alive with cultural festivals and events celebrating the region's rich heritage. From traditional music performances to culinary extravaganzas, these festivities offer travelers a taste of local culture and hospitality. Railway art installations. Adding an artistic touch to the journey, the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway features captivating art installations at select stations and along the railway route. These sculptures, murals, and interactive displays celebrate the region's culture, history, and natural beauty. Healing thermal springs. Hidden gems await. Near certain stops along the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway, travelers can discover healing thermal springs renowned for their therapeutic properties. These natural hot springs offer a relaxing respite, perfect for rejuvenating weary travelers. Underground river crossings. Beneath the railway tracks, the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway boasts innovative underground river crossings. These engineering marvels allow trains to traverse rivers seamlessly, ensuring uninterrupted journeys through the rugged terrain. Railway folk songs. Echoes of the past linger in the form of railway folk songs sung by local communities along the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway. These melodic tunes tell tales of adventure, love, and hardship experienced by generations of railway workers and travelers. Secret tunnels and caves. Venture off the beaten path. Rumors abound of secret tunnels and hidden caves hidden along the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway route. These mysterious passageways are said to hold untold treasures and secrets waiting to be discovered. Birdwatching opportunities. Calling all bird enthusiasts. The Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway offers prime birdwatching opportunities, with several bird sanctuaries and wetlands located along the route. Passengers may spot a diverse array of avian species soaring through the skies. Railway gastronomy. Indulge your taste buds. Each station along the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway is a gateway to unique culinary delights. From local specialties to international cuisine, passengers can embark on a gastronomic journey without leaving the railway platform. Magnetic anomalies. The Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway passes through areas with magnetic anomalies, resulting in peculiar phenomena such as compasses malfunctioning and objects appearing to defy gravity. These magnetic anomalies add an element of intrigue to the journey. Railway museums. Delve into railway history. Enthusiasts can explore railway museums located along the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway route, showcasing vintage locomotives, historical artifacts, and interactive exhibits that offer insights into the evolution of rail transportation. Railway legends and superstitions. From tales of ghost trains to superstitions about lucky charms, the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway is steeped in folklore and legends. Passengers may encounter stories passed down through generations, adding an air of mystique to their travel experience. Railway poetry and literature. Inspired by the scenic beauty and historic significance of the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway, poets and writers have penned numerous works of literature dedicated to capturing the essence of this iconic railway journey. Cultural festivals and events. Throughout the year, the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway corridor comes alive with cultural festivals and events celebrating the region's rich heritage. From traditional music performances to culinary extravaganzas, these festivities offer travelers a taste of local culture and hospitality. Historical architectural landmarks. Along the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway route, passengers can catch glimpses of historical architectural landmarks dating back to different periods of Chinese history. These landmarks serve as reminders of the region's rich cultural heritage and architectural diversity. Railway conservation efforts. Dedicated efforts are underway to preserve and protect the historical and cultural significance of the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway. Conservation initiatives focus on restoring heritage buildings, maintaining vintage railway equipment, and safeguarding natural habitats along the route. Wildlife crossings. To minimize disruption to local wildlife, the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway incorporates innovative wildlife crossings such as elevated bridges and underground tunnels. Local folklore is woven into the fabric of the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway, with tales of mythical creatures, legendary heroes, and ancient spirits passed down through generations. These stories add depth and mystery to the cultural landscape of the region. Underground river crossings. Beneath the railway tracks, the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway boasts innovative underground river crossings. These engineering marvels allow trains to traverse rivers seamlessly, ensuring uninterrupted journeys through the rugged terrain. Secret tunnels and caves. Venture off the beaten path. Rumors abound of secret tunnels and hidden caves hidden along the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway route. These mysterious passageways are said to hold untold treasures and secrets waiting to be discovered. Railway gastronomy. Indulge your taste buds. Each station along the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway is a gateway to unique culinary delights. From local specialties to international cuisine, passengers can embark on a gastronomic journey without leaving the railway platform. And there you have it, a thrilling adventure through the Changchun to Mudanjiang Railway, filled with history, mystery, and natural beauty. Which unknown fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting travel tales. All aboard!